Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Google account and that you have the billing account creator permission. Without it, you cannot proceed. Next, gather your payment details, card, bank, or invoicing terms, and be ready to enter billing address and tax info. Once done, open the Google Cloud Console, navigate to the billing section, and click Create a Billing Account to start the form. This begins the real setup and ensures you move straight into configuration. Now focus on configuration. Select whether the account is individual or organization, because that determines invoicing and permission scope. Then complete the billing profile, legal name, tax ID if required, address, and preferred currency, so invoices match compliance and accounting needs. After that, assign an admin user and link at least one project to associate costs. This step ties usage to billing and makes cost tracking and alerts possible, which helps you manage spend proactively. Finish by verifying payment authorization and accepting Google's billing agreements. You should receive confirmation emails. Then link any remaining projects, configure budgets and alerts, and enable billing export to BigQuery or CSV for reporting. If something goes wrong, first check that you have correct IAM roles and that the payment method is valid. Next, review console error messages and retry the step that failed. If problems persist, remove and re-add the payment instrument or try a different card to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.